Friends, in this video, we are talking about sorting methods. There are two kinds of sorting available in Excel, top to bottom, and another is left to right. So what we are going to do, we will do sorting one by one. We will learn how to sort our numerical data one by one. So we have a simple example for top to bottom sorting. Here we have some names and some numbers. So what we will do, we will sort these numbers from largest to lowest. For this, we will select our data and go to data tab in our menu bar. Then we press sort button. By pressing sort button, we will find another small window. Here we find some buttons called add level, delete level, copy level, option, my header, and then this. We will learn about these buttons later, but we will first go to this column. Here we are seeing there is written sort by sales manager, then sort on cell value, then what should be the order, A to Z or Z to A, or is there any custom list. So what we will do, we will check if we have header in our data. So there are two headings in our data. One is sales manager, another is quantity. So we have left this checkbox on because we have headings, we have headers in our data. If we leave this unchecked, then the selection will be covering this. And here we cannot see sales manager and quantity now. If we select this checkbox, if we check this checkbox, then two of our fields will start appearing here. So we want to make sorting on the basis of our quantity. We will select quantity, then quantity by largest to smallest. We want to see largest quantity on top and lowest quantity on the bottom. So this will be sorted largest to smallest. We will press OK and we will see the numbers are sorted this way. The next example I will show you. This is used by least people, very less known to people. We can sort our data. If you have some data like this, we can sort our data from left to right. What I say, we can sort this data left to right or right to left. Means here we see column 5 is written in the first and column 1 is written in the last. We can sort this data column 1 to 5 or 5 to 1, both ways. So what we have to do, we will simply select this data, go to data menu bar and then press sort button. This small window will appear. There is an option button. We have not used this option button in the previous example, but we will use it now. As soon as we press option button, there are two radio buttons who are asking about orientation. What is the orientation of our data? Orientation we want left to right. So we will sort this left to right. By default, this option is coming here, top to bottom. In the previous example, we have done top to bottom sorting. That is why we have not used this option button. Now we are using and we are choosing this second one, second radio button. That's okay. Then we have to select the row by which we want our data to be sorted. So we have selected row 2 because our data is heading of our data is on second row number 2. So next we will do left to right sorting. We will make A to Z. Column 1 will be here and column 5 will be here. This will be serially numbered and all this data will be automatically with each of their headings. Like this whole data will come on this place and this whole data will come on this place. We selected row 2, cell value A to Z, and as soon as we press OK, we will find our data here. Column 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you see all these are serially numbered now and their respective data is also moved as their headings. So this is a simple trick but less used. You can use, just practice it. And that's it for this video.